Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter biometrics and password. Enter change lock screen password and unlock it with your current password. Go to change unlock method, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. For the PIN, let's only select 4-digit PIN, because basically they are the same and the only difference is length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone, and let's select password this time. To create it, enter 4 to 32 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, select pattern. When it's done, go to fingerprint ID, new fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times without pressing the button, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face recognition, get started, and now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Slide up to open, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.